More tariffs are set to take effect later this week. President Trump says he's ready to negotiate with countries. And today, a top ally went to Washington to try to work out a deal. Vaughn Hilliard reports.
Another roller coaster day on Wall Street as investors react to President Trump's new taxes on imported goods.
Now, what's going to happen with the market, I can't tell you, but I can tell you our country has gotten a lot stronger.
The president essentially telling spooked investors not to panic in a post on Truth Social. Mr. Trump says dozens of countries have called to negotiate lower tariffs. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu in Washington meeting in person with the president and top White House officials, looking for relief from the 17% tariffs Trump slapped on one of the U.S.'s closest allies.
We have many countries that are coming to negotiate deals.
After a weekend of mixed messages from Trump advisors over whether the tariffs were negotiable, the president posted online that negotiations will begin. The president threatening China with even higher tariffs if that country doesn't drop the 34% tax on American goods it imposed in response. As the stock market drops, recession forecasts are growing, and now some business leaders are starting to speak out. J.P. Morgan telling investors it expects the economy to contract under the weight of the tariffs and that a recession will drive unemployment up to 5.3%. Even top Trump advisor Elon Musk appeared to break with the president on tariffs over the weekend.
I hope it is agreed that both Europe and the United States should move, ideally, in my view, to a zero tariff situation, effectively creating a free trade zone.
As the president spent a long weekend playing golf at his Florida properties, Americans took part in more than 1,000 protests around the country.
Trump and Musk have got to go!
Growing outcry over the administration's mass deportations, government cuts, and retirement funds quickly disappearing as the markets plunge. White House officials are brushing off questions about the optics of President Trump playing golf as new tariffs hit and markets drop. They say the president considers the market losses as temporary. One official telling NBC News the economy will be fine. But there's more uncertainty ahead as additional tariffs go into effect this Wednesday. In Washington, Vaughn Hilliard, NBC News.